This is definitely an exchange that you want to be on. You most certainly want to have Kucoin exchange under your belt. You want to be signed up with Kucoin. So I want to do a quick video because some people are still saying that they're having difficulties buying XRP or Ripple. Well, this video right here is going to show you exactly how, well, it's going to show you exactly where to buy XRP or Ripple. Process is really easy. You just need to sign up for the exchange that we're going to talk about. You can see the exchange right there on the screen right now. That is Kucoin. Or is it Kucoin? I'm not quite sure how it's pronounced, but it is Kucoin. We'll call it Kucoin. So we're going to buy XRP from Kucoin. Now, the first thing we need to do when we get to Kucoin.com, you can find the link down below in the description. Now, if you use the link down below to sign up for Kucoin, you get discounts on all of the trading fees, even though the trading fees are already very low trading fees. Trades execute very fast. You got a lot of volume. It's a very trusted exchange. Like it says right here on the front page, 1 out of 4 crypto holders worldwide is with Kucoin. But Kucoin has been around for a long time. I've been using Kucoin since I first started trading with cryptocurrencies, which was about 2018, somewhere around there. I want to say late 2017, maybe 2018. I'm not quite sure exactly when, but I've been with Kucoin for a long time. They have never done me wrong. I've never had any issues pulling my cryptocurrency off of the Kucoin exchange and putting it into my own personal wallet. You should always put your cryptocurrency in your own personal wallet. First thing you're going to want to do is sign up for Kucoin. So when you arrive at Kucoin.com, when you use the link down below in my description, you should arrive at this page right here where it says sign up. There should be a big green sign up button. Now, new signups qualify for mystery boxes worth up to $500 exclusively for new users. See, it says it right there. Mystery boxes worth up to $500 exclusively for new users. You're a new user, so make sure you sign up. Now, if you sign up using a link down below in the description, this also increases your chances of winning up to $500 in one of their exclusive mystery boxes. So if you use the link down below in the description, it increases your chances of winning up to $500 in one of Kucoin's exclusive mystery boxes. So make sure you use that link down below in the description. It saves you money on the trading fees and you get entered to win. Well, you'll have a better chance at winning up to $500 in one of the exclusive mystery boxes. All right, so we're going to click the sign up button. Real easy, real straightforward. You're going to enter all of the information that they ask for. You're going to put your email and your password, and then you're going to click the sign up button. And you are going to follow the instructions on the screen. It is really straightforward. It is self-explanatory. They're going to tell you exactly what you need to enter right there on the screen. So just fill out all of that information. And then once you filled out all of that information and you have successfully signed up for Kucoin, you will be able to go into the marketplace, or you can go to the section where you can purchase cryptocurrency with your credit card or your PayPal account or your bank account. Now, this cryptocurrency exchange does allow US residents, which is fantastic. A lot of other cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance, does not allow US residents unless you're using the Binance.us website, which kind of sucks. So Kucoin.com, sign up. Let me show you what you will be greeted with once you have finished signing up and logging in. So I'm going to log into Kucoin. So let's log in. Now, once you log in and you have everything set up properly, make sure you enable two-factor authentication. If you don't have two-factor authentication enabled on your Kucoin account, then I don't believe you will be able to remove any of your funds from the exchange, or any of your cryptocurrencies, funds from the exchange. It's real easy to set up two-factor authentication. You just need the Google Authenticator on your device, which is your mobile device, such as your cell phone, your iPhone, or your Android device. Any one of those devices, you can download the Google Authenticator and be set up and ready to go. Now it's asking me for the two-factor authentication, the 2FA code, which is two-factor authentication. All right, so once you are signed up and logged into Kucoin, it should take you to your asset overview page, which is the page where all of your assets are. What we are going to do is go to this link right here where it says buy crypto, because that's what we want to do. We want to buy crypto. Now we can do fast trade, we can do P2P bank transfer and 20 plus options. Third party, oh, where did we go? Yeah, you can see that. Third party, BankX, Simplex, BTC Direct, or fiat deposit. You can top up fiat balances via bank transfer, so you can deposit money directly from your bank account into the Kucoin exchange, and then you can purchase the cryptocurrency using the money that you deposited into the Kucoin exchange and, get the cryptocurrency that you desire. Fast trade. Want to buy with a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or PayPal? We support as many as 70 plus payment methods. So the sky is the limit when it comes to purchasing cryptocurrency on the Coolcoin exchange. You can get pretty much anything you want. This exchange has a lot of cryptocurrencies to choose from that you can purchase and or trade into, using the exchange. So that's pretty much it. Now, the sign up process is pretty easy. Faster way to buy crypto. You got to register, you got to verify your identity, and then you can bind your credit card or whatever to the exchange and you can start making your purchases. There isn't too many exchanges. I don't know of any exchanges right now that you can still purchase cryptocurrency from without identity verification. Unfortunately, that's just the way things are right now. You have to verify your identity on most of these cryptocurrency exchanges, even Coinbase, and it's just the way it is. That's pretty much it. I mean, you go to Kucoin.com, use the link down below in the description so you can save money on fees and you can increase your chances of winning a prize from their mystery box. It's a fantastic exchange, so it's definitely worth being signed up for Kucoin. Look at all of the options that you have here. You got crypto lending. You can earn with Kucoin. Invest to earn stable profits through a professional asset manager. You got Spotlight, Kucoin token launch platform, Kucoin Wealth. I don't know what that's about. I've never used that. KCS bonus. Hold KCS to earn daily bonuses. Kucoin pool. It's a mining pool. I'm not going to get into that right now. We got cloud mining as well. And crypto lending. You can lend out your crypto to earn interest. So if you're into lending your cryptocurrency out, you can lend it out and earn some interest on it using crypto lending. Non-fungible tokens. You got a wallet, the Halo wallet, a self-custody social wallet, yours to discover, invest, and earn. I'm not sure about that wallet. I've never used that wallet. I'm going to look into that. That looks pretty cool. A social wallet. What's a social wallet? A self-custody social wallet. What is a social wallet? Let's take a look. A Halo wallet, yours to discover, invest, earn. Download it there. Looks like it's on mobile devices. Get your gateway to Web3 world. Track smart wallets of pros. Buy, store, send, and swap tokens. Your DeFi portfolio tracker. Own your keys and data. So this is truly a decentralized wallet where it says you own your keys and data. So you can actually use this wallet without any fear of keeping your cryptocurrency on an exchange. Maybe this wallet will link up with Kucoin and make it a little bit easier for you to transact. I don't know that for sure, but it's leading me to believe that you can do that. Halo wallet is designed for you to discover the latest crypto market trends, make multi-chain swaps at the best rates, see activities of wallets you have followed, track DeFi portfolio across various protocols, buy crypto in a fast and simple way. Get full control of your private keys and personal data. So this right here, where you can track smart wallets of pros, that is the social aspect of this wallet. So you're following other people that may have a lot of money in their wallet or may have executed successful trades that made them good profits, and you just mirror what they do, then profits for you too. Anyhow, let's end this video right here. Kucoin.com, link down below in the description. That is how you're going to purchase your XRP Ripple. You're going to purchase it with your credit card, Visa, MasterCard, or you can purchase it with another form of cryptocurrency by trading from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. This is definitely an exchange that you want to be on. You most certainly want to have Kucoin exchange under your belt. You want to be signed up with Kucoin. Don't be afraid to do the identity verification on this exchange. They're not going to sell your data. They're not going to sell you out. So Kucoin exchange is a must have. It's a fantastic exchange with a lot of product and a lot of services that are offered. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it helped you purchase some XRP Ripple, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.